mkhonto jikijela waza mkhonto kwaza namhlanje sivukile singama-commanders la e-high court ezinazo ukuthi sisafuna ukwazi ukuthi yephi ivoti lethu last year masivula so today singama-commander lana asikodoli sifudumele nezingubo zomkhondo sokwazi ukuthi ivoti lethu liyephi, where is my vote? Iyo-ke i-case yakhona esenze ukuthi sigadare lana today. Kwaza mkhonto kwaza.
Isandla! Tholele msholozi tholele! Tholele msholozi tholele! Viva MKB viva! Viva MKB viva! Viva!
Msholozi siphathe! Commanders, sicela ukuthi siniphe i-briefing la ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Manje into yokuqala besifuna ukuthi siyenze, besifuna ukuthi sinethulele abameli bethu ukuyibona abasikethele ukuthi so that noma-ke sizobadedela bona sisale-ke sinikeze nina i-briefing ngoba babuye baqhubeke bayosebenza. Kodwa-ke siyafuna ukuthi-ke ibazi sizoqala-ke akubona ukuchema i-protocol fanele siqale-ke i-strategy athi Barnabas uyena-ke ozesathulela-ke ithimba labameli so bese sithatha-ke emva kwakhe okhulumayo-ke ukhomanda uDodo.
Waza mkhonto kwaza. Sibingelele ama-commanders. La sihamba no-advocate Masulu, u-senior counsel wethu osiphathele udaba. Sihamba no-advocate wethu uMens Melane, uMagusha Nyamazi, bese kuba uMnumzana uNtokozo Ndiyabo nayo advocate. Okuningi-ke ecala I think kuzwa kabanzi lapha ama-commanders esikwazi ukuthi siwabheke ukuthi kuhambe kanjani indaba.
Umuntu engasamethulanga la uCabashi sinodokotela la udokotela uSiwa kaMhlongo uyena-ke expect wethu ucwepheshe lo okuyena esizoshaya ngaye udaba ngawo-ke ama-commanders-ke njengoba sesibathulile sicabanga ukuthi asibadedele bona ngoba umsebenzi waqhubeka awuphelile. Siyavumelana ama-commanders? Waza mkhonto kwaza. Sibadedela-ke bedela nje ithimba leli ama-professionals kusuka kuma-results akhishwa ku-IEC ngomhla ka-2 bebewakhipha upresident uZuma ebatshelile ukuthi ngisalokujaha ukukhipha lama-results ngoba kunezinto okufanele ni-addresse before you vote. Bathi-ke bavele banzake ngoba phela ngithi-ke baphethile bathatha lezo nqumo sabe-ke sesiya-ke enkantolo ukuthi cha asenelisekile ngendlela okwenzeke ngayo ngalolu khetho langomhla ka-29 kuMeyi 2024. Sawafaka-ke amaphepha enkantolo kwakuwumhla ka-14 kuJuni. Mayifakwa-ke la maphepha enkantolo baphendula-ke u-IEC ngendlela abasiphendula ngayo. Uma ngabe besiphendula base besinikeza i-information esasinganayo. Ngiyafuna ukuyichaza le nto ngoba ikhona le confusion e-create-wa deliberately yokuthi sa-withdraw i-case because we didn't have evidence. No, that's not true. Into eyenzakala basinikeza new information, ama-figures that were not there before. Then-ke sase siphoqeka ukuthi asike siphoqwe enkantolo siyo-interrogate le data entsha ngoba akuyona i-data ebikhona kulama-data sets ebekade siwasebenzisile. sase siya-withdraw-ke enkantolo ukuthi no, we need time to look at the information entsha. Sakwenza-ke lokho, saphuma enkantolo, sabuye sabuyela futhi enkantolo, sathi cha sesiyibonile le information yalapho. But uma sibuka le information yalapho, sekuvela izinto ezintsha manje ebekade singanazo. Sase sifaka le application-ke le obekufanele ngabe-ke izo-arguishwa namhlanje. Namhlanje we are not arguing the results in terms of percentages, in terms of numbers. No, asekho lapho. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi the digital capturing system ababeyisebenzisa isuka kuphi, i-calibrated, i-validated. Those are the technical questions esinazo. Now-ke sabe sesibacela ukuthi before siye enkantolo sicela nisinikeze lento elizwa ngama-log audits. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kwabakhona lo 2 hours okwavele kwathi nya akwangazakali ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sifuna-ke manje ukuthi-ke anike nisitsheleke ukuthi ngalo 2 hours bekwenzakalani phela ngoba i-system ibiqhubeka ifunction. Uyabona? Now niyokhumbula ukuthi baya ku-TV bathi ayikho into eyonakela ke. Now-ke sithi kubona-ke yini eyadala ukuthi kucishwe okokuqala, okwesibili kwenzekeni ngenkathi kucishiwe. Manje ukuze sazi ukuthi kwenzekeni kufanele basinikeze the-log audits. Ama-log audits-ke yibona sitshelayo ukuthi ubani ungenela i-system, wenzani, ngasikhathi sini. Banqaba-ke ukusinika leyo information. Abafundi sabe sesifaka-ke i-application enkantolo, sicela inkantolo ibaphoqe ukuthi abasinike le information. Ngomhla ka-27 kuyona le nyanga inkantolo isiyabuya kuthina isithi cha ba-right laba mabethi ngeke bakunike information. Now bakusho lokhu isuku lwecala kade basinike mhla ka-3. Now ukuthi-ke ngomhla ka-27 sebesitshela ukuthi sizoza la ngomhla ka-3 ingekho le information esifuna. Yiloko okuphoqeke ukuthi sithi-ke cha siyafuna ukuyi-aphila le ruling ethi information ngeke siyithole. Sifuna izizathu zokuthi kungani singazikuyithola le information. I-order abasinike yona ayinazo izizathu zokuthi kungani singanikezwa le information. Bebethe lokho sizokuzwa namhlanje la ukuthi kungani singanikezwanga i-information izizathu zokuthi kungani singanikwa. Now-ke safaka-ke i-application-ke to appeal. Izolo-ke ibikade i-arguishwa lento kwavunyelwana iy'nhlangothi zonke, IEC, ithina njengabamangali nenkantolo ngene le-appeal. Ngoba eyethi view ithi siyibhoksa thina elifakwe eringini kuthiwa lizobhoksa kodwa izandla zethu iboshwe ngemuva. Ngoba phela masinganayo information how to argue our case. Now-ke imi lapho-ke ila sikhona-ke ukuthi-ke siyayifuna leya information, asikwazi kuya phambili ingekho le information. Now-ke namhlanje-ke bekade-ke kufanele ukuthi-ke sizothola-ke i-order-ke eshoyo ukuthi siyavumelana ukuthi alihlali icala kusazoqale kungene le-appeal, ngemva kwe-appeal-ke kuyima-ke lihlala the-main case. Now-ke izolo besibhalele basithembisa ukuthi bazosinikeza i-order. Abasinikanga leyo order. Basinika le order sesila ngaphakathi enkantolo. Imayifika manje eshoyo ukuthi no, inkantolo ayizukuhlala namhlanje. Okusimangazayo-ke okokuthi ngibabonile abameli bethu. Sibalethe la kunina so that nizobona ukuthi thina si-dedicated, si-committed kangakanani kule case. Sikhona thina, ngibabonile aba-IEC abekho manje baze ngani ukuthi ayizukuhlala le nkantolo ngoba thina sitshelwa manje thina sesila. Niyayibona le nto? Usho ukuthi bona bebenolwazi ukuthi ayizukuhlala. kuqala le kodwa-ke thina-ke asangakutshelwa kululwazi saze safika la kwayima sesilana-ke sesiyayithola-ke incwadi eqinisekisayo lokho ukuthi ayizuhlala inkantolo namhlanje. Nawu-ke sithe masila ngaphakathi-ke abameli-ke basebecela uregistrar ukuthi cha lo jaji lo obekuyena obezohlala akakabuzakale ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sizohamba la basale bahlalisa inkantolo asisekho. Cha-ke yabuya impendulo yokuthi hhayi le order le esiyitholile engene nge-email esho-ke ukuthi-ke sizolinda-ke usuku-ke manje-ke we-appeal izohlala-ke i-appeal okwenzeka ihlale khona la noma ebrokothi lapho-ke kuzo-akishwa-ke khona-ke the-merits or demerits-ke zale application-ke ye-appeal-ke manje leave to appeal. Kusho ukuthi maseyiqeda-ke le ye-appeal uma ngabe-ke siwina-ke into yokuthi asinikwe le information sobe-ke sesithola le information-ke kuyima kuhlala-ke icala leli esilizelela sihambisana nama-commanders injalo-ke nje indaba gwaza mkhonto gwaza I am Sizocela ama-commanders e-security athi ulinda kancane chazela lamanye ama-commanders asasekhona ukuthi kwenzakalile so that bangabi demoralized bafike la abasebenzi at least
kusondela convener asemshayeleni izandla amandla
Gwaza mkhonto wesizwe Gwaza siphilele baba uNqamalala siphilele phansi nge-GNU phansi awaphuma amasela awaphume where's our vote
event ubabudumsana Ntuli Gwaza mkhonto Gwaza Mpemba sihole Nqamalala sihole phakama MK phakama Maqabane before si disperse kubalekile ukuthi si put into perspective le postponement ukwenzakalayo le case bekufanele ihlale eBloemfontein bayishifta eBloemfontein bayiletha la bayicela ukuthi izelana and siyazi izathu zalokho ngoba awekho amajaji alalelayo eBloemfontein kunamajaji alalelayo aseGoli siyazi ukuthi sino judge president umlambo la abazi mabeza kuyabaluzi lutho ingakho beyilethela ngelanga lokuthi ihlale sebecela futhi postponement kusho indlela yokuyifrustrate le case okwethu ke ukuthi singaphela amandla sonke siqhubekile sibuza aphi amavoti wethu izoziphume le answer ngoba kusho ukuthi iplan ukuthi le case itreke kuze kuphele isikhathi sikahulumeni weGNU.
The detachment, before we introduce them, we have got the deputy chair of the province, Commander Makaza, affectionately known as Commander Pabgan. Commander Pabgan, kuwena amandla.
Gwaza mkhonto Gwaza. Chikela mkhonto chikishela. On your commanders.
Thank you very much. And then before we go to comrades from the Free State, we also are ably led by deployees from National High Command commanders. And it's important to Spazi. We've got Commander Cindy, who was the convener of the deployees and is still the deployee from the National High Command. Commander Cindy, amandla.
Amandla! 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 Tholele msholozi tholele! Tholele msholozi tholele! Viva National Command, viva! Viva Top 8, viva! Viva Women's League, viva! Viva People with Disability, viva! Viva Youth League, viva! Viva Student Movement, viva! Viva Balabi Bendabuko, viva! Viva Bafundisi, viva! Viva ATM, viva! Viva Progressive Forces, viva! Mandla! Comrades, ngiyabonga ukuthi nibe lana. Isotsha lomkhonto lenza njena. Discipline and respect. Ngiyabonga ukuthi nizile namamela akunamsindo ngicela ningapheli amandla. Sisazoqhubeka ningadeli. Mhlambe sisaya eBloemfontein kula siya khona kuma conference. Lapha sibuyisa khona siyabuya singapheli umdlalo. Amandla!
Viva ex-commandant, viva!
And with us as well, we have got a member of the provincial detachment responsible for security, an ex-commandant, the head of ex-combatants in the province, Comrade Jafta. Comrade Jafta.
Gwaza Mkhonto, Gwaza.
Thank you very much. I know he's straight to the point. Next to me, I am having the convener of the Free State Province. They also came to support this case. Last corner. He's going to introduce himself and the team. Ahamba nayo. Commander, over to you.
Amandla awethu siphilele nqamalala siphilele viva President Jacob Zuma viva President Jacob Zuma viva ama MK phakama comrades okwethu kuncane siyabulela iFree State khona la ama-Free State amandla so we are just saying we came here to support. And we also agree that we know that the case was supposed to be in Bloemfontein, and therefore we agree to say noma kuthiwa postponeiwa iza ngapha, then says anathi sabona ukuthi it is important for us to come and support lo msebenzi. Siyabulela ukuthi we are not even alone.
Are not above them. Bangazi izimo esihamba phakathi kwazo. Amongst us, we have got to MPL Unchinila. MPL, come and say hello. Masinya lada before my comrade. Pass on my talent. Amanda.
One command, one mission, one mission, one command, one command, one mission, one mission, one command. Thank you very much, comrade. Former head of elections. In fact, we registered this case. And when we rejected elections after count, that indeed there were irregularities and transgressions in the results. And the process itself that was consolidating the outcomes of the voters and the interests of the people. I'm not an MPL, I'm a member of parliament, going by the party. I'm a volunteer. Yeah, I'm a member of the contempt of court by further appointing an extension which is against the provisions in the Electoral Act, in fact in the Lotteries Act. So we're challenging all these things and many other cases that we found on the ground, including this one. In the Portfolio Committee of Home Affairs,
ukobzizwa kaMakhanya oyiconvener ama-deployees KwaZulu-Natal. Ngiyabonga.
Yes, must be respected. Over to you.
Siyabonga thina what we are saying emkhosini, go out there, MKP, go and fight for this country to be in order. Asinabo okuningi. The land must come back to us emkhosini so that we continue doing what is good for our country. We cannot take the GNU system. We need things that are being changed by MKP. We are here to stand. We are not going anywhere.
Communicate properly, and we must steady communicate properly. Sizoza, sizoyivala, siyenze ibe yincane. Ijoburg High Court masibuya futhi. Amandla.
Commanders, kukhona iphutha okungafanele ngilenze. Njengoba ngila ngiyi-deployee yase-Northern Cape Province. Convener wama-National High Command deployees ase-Northern Cape. But ngisuka KwaZulu. Sengiqalile nokufunda isiBhunu nje manje sengithi on sal khebehel. Hayi khebehel ngithi bathi ubona babesikhuluma basenza njani. Commanders asibonge but ke njengoba dengilana I was not wearing a cap yase-Northern Cape. Bekade ngizorepresenta i-National High Command kule to i-case bese siyichazile-ke amandla.
Let's go!
Siapa yang